Hello everybody, welcome to NEET Physics by Arun video channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a multiple choice question from the chapter Physics and Measurement, which is in Unit 1 of your NEET Physics syllabus. Okay, that's all. So the question is, the percentage of errors in the measurement of G, what is G? Acceleration due to gravity. Okay, is how much? 2%, 5%, 3%, 4%. So it has been given that G is equal to, formula for G is 4 pi squared L divided by T square. You cannot measure acceleration due to gravity directly. Only by measuring the value of L and T, you will be able to calculate the value of G. Is it not? So L, error in measurement of L, that is length, is 10 plus or minus 0.1 centimeter. Plus or minus 0.1 is the error in the measurement of length, and T is equal to 100 plus or minus 1 seconds. So error in the measurement of time is plus or minus 1 second. Okay, that's it. So these are all the four options given to you: 2%, 5%, 3%, 7%. How to find it, sir? Percentage of error is equal to, error in measurement is delta G by G. Delta G is the error in measurement, G is the actual value. So delta G by G, if you multiply it by 100, you will get percentage of error. So the formula for percentage of error is equal to delta G divided by G into 100. So what are the measurements that you are taking? You are measuring L and also. So percentage of error for the measurement of length is delta L by L into 100. And percentage of error for time measurement is, so it is the T square. So you write 2 into delta T by T into 100. Okay, 2 into delta T. So this is the case when you are finding the percentage of error. So you must only add the errors, no subtraction, no addition, only the addition, no subtraction, no multiplication, no division. So we have T square, you have to multiply the error by 2 into delta, 2 into error in the measurement, 2 into delta T. If you have 3, power 3 is here, you have to multiply 3 into delta T. And it is like that only. So for T square, 2 into delta T by T into 100. Now you substitute the value. What is L? 10 centimeter. What is delta L? That is change in length plus or minus 0.1. So delta L is equal to 0.1 centimeter. What is T? 100 second. What is delta T? 1 second. So you can substitute the values in this equation. Percentage of error, delta G by G into 100 is equal to delta L by L into 100 into 2 into delta T by T into 100. So that is what? So 0.1 divided by 10. So delta L 0.1 divided by 10 into 100 plus 2 into delta T 1 second into 1. So divided by 100 divided by, what is T? T is 100 seconds. So into 100. Okay, that's all. What is 100 by 10? 10. 10 into 0.1? 1. Okay. So what is 1? 100 by 100? 1. So 1 into 2? 2. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3%. So 3% is the right answer. Percentage of error in the measurement of G is 3%. Okay. So option 3 is the right answer for this question. Okay. So so far we have seen 4 questions from this chapter, Physics and Measurement. In the next question, we will deal an MCQ from the chapter Kinematics. Till then, thank you one and all. Thank you.